Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer SSH keys to a new Mac using GitHub step by step clearly. Start by opening your terminal on the new Mac. Ensure you have Git installed by typing Git version. If Git is not installed, download it from the official Git website. Next, navigate to your home directory by typing cd. To create a new directory for your SSH keys, type dir.ssh. Change into the .ssh directory by typing cd.ssh. If the .ssh directory already exists, make sure it's empty or clear out any old keys. Now, let's generate a new SSH key by typing SSH keygen TRSAB4096C your email at example.com. Replace your email at example.com with your actual email address. When prompted, press enter to accept the default file location for the key. Set a secure passphrase when asked, or simply press enter to skip this step. Your SSH key pair will be created, and you will see a message indicating where the key was saved. Next, you'll want to copy your public SSH key to your clipboard. Type pcopy/.ssh/id_rsa.pub to copy the public key. Open your web browser and go to GitHub. Sign in to your GitHub account. Once signed in, navigate to your profile icon and click on Settings. In the left sidebar, select SSH and GPG keys. Click on the new SSH key. In the title field, enter a descriptive name for your new key. In the key field, paste the public key you copied earlier from your terminal. Now, click on the Add SSH Key button to save it. Go back to your terminal. To verify if your SSH key was added successfully, type sshttgit@github.com. You may see a message saying you've successfully authenticated. If prompted, type yes to continue connecting. Your SSH keys are now successfully transferred to your new Mac using GitHub. You're ready to start using your SSH keys for secure connections to GitHub. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.